Namaskaram. My name is Nandakumar. I'm a certified Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. I was initiated into yoga by Sadhguru in the year 2000. And ever since, I have been a volunteer supporting several programs in different places in India as well as the Isha Yoga Center at Coimbatore. And I was also able to volunteer in different cities in US as well as the Isha Institute of Inner Sciences, which is at Tennessee. I took up for Isha Hatha Yoga teacher training, and the last 4 years I've been a full-time teacher trying to take these tools of transformations offered by Sadhguru. Now, I'll give a quick background about this 21 days online yoga classes. One of the objectives of this class is to see how we can bring intense physical practices inside our home using some yogic tools. We will be learning certain practices which will intensify over a period of time and strengthen our system, build certain endurance, and also improve our cardiovascular activity. And overall, it supports us to be at a good physical and mental balance. Along with this, we'll also be learning a certain Kriya, which helps to improve our respiratory health. It enhances our lung capacity and also supports to boost our system immunity. We'll learn a pranayama, which will help to cleanse the energy system. And we will go through some guided meditations by Sadhguru. And we'll also be looking at food aspects, how food impacts our system, and what kind of food can help you be more alert and active throughout the day. Now, this program happens over the Zoom application. It's a live program, it's on a two-way video. The participants should keep their video turned on so that the teachers can see your practices and any corrections to your practices, the teachers will be able to clarify and correct. They can provide you inputs about what areas of the practice you can improve upon. And it also offers you the opportunity to talk to the teachers and clarify any questions or doubts that you might have. There's one aspect that is important. You just committing about 21 days. If you can just come like that, I will just go for 21 days, 1 hour every day. You will definitely see a huge transformation in the way you can build up consistency in your practices. Many times we learn different practices, but our lifestyle and schedule does not allow us to be able to continue the practices effectively. This program offers the opportunity to bring consistency to your practices. Will this program be suitable for me? Is a question you may have. Now, if you have not learned any yoga before, this program will be definitely beneficial. You'll be able to learn certain physical practices as well as subtler practices which can help you to be able to conduct your day-to-day life much more effectively. And you will also see how you can move your system to a certain strength and balance within a short period of time. If you have learned advanced practices like Surya Kriya or Yogasanas, but still your practices are not very consistent, then again this program can be definitely supportive. Many participants who have learned these practices have expressed how a practice like Yoga Namaskar builds a lot of strength, brings in flexibility, and overall tries to bring in a certain balance both physically and mentally. So, if you have learned advanced practices but you are not consistent with your practice, this offers you an opportunity to be able to become consistent, commit that time for your practice. When we bring this balance of about 30 to 40 minutes of intense practices along with awareness about food, there are several aspects of our lifestyle we'll be able to adjust and bring it to a certain balance. If you have a question about how this program could be beneficial to you, there have been many participants who have expressed benefits in terms of their experiences. For many of them, their respiratory health has improved. And within this 21 days, you will see that how your body can move from one level of strength to another, one level of endurance to another. You'll start to notice that your sleep becomes more restful. Even if you sleep less number of hours, still you get sufficient rest. Like that, there are many benefits. Sadhguru says a practice like Yoga Namaskar is supportive for both physical as well as psychological well being. There are many participants who have shared their experience of how their stiff back or their painful back has become better. People who have had issues with their neck, especially people who are in desk jobs, whose postures can sort of bring in a little unease in the neck region. They have expressed how they were able to ease that. And above all, it brings discipline of being able to do the practices consistently, and just by investing about 30 to 40 minutes, how you will be able to benefit through this. This also helps you to build a foundational strength so that you will be able to go and learn more advanced practices. It helps you to bring you to a certain balance and flexibility so that learning advanced practices can be a little bit effortless. These are all some benefits, but there are many benefits beyond that. This is about trying to bring our physical as well as our psychological balance. In case you have any more questions about this program, you can always reach out to us. You know our number. Try to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to clarify your doubts.